Hello, I am Delaney, and this is my new friend Kasper. And we just met a couple of days ago when he brought us on a tour up to the waterfall. This is so magical, this waterfall, and this is his country. This is his where he's grown up, and so he's going to tell us some about it. So
Yes.
you tell us something about you.
Okay, first I'd like to introduce myself. I'm a guide here. My name is Kasper. So I will guide you. I'll do a little tour to the waterfall and give you some information about the plantation, also some culture what we have here. And we can start to do our little tour right now. Little water goes down. It will be goes to the ocean, because nowadays we try to use the water wisely. On the dry season, we will take the water effectively going to the channel, what will be used watering the garden. So on your left side, you'll see a little temple, what representative of our Subak temple. Subak is our organization in irrigation system.
Yeah.
So this one is a representative of that temple,
Yeah, beautiful.
what's specialized for water system.
Awesome.
And then on your left, you can see the palm sugar tree. What we can get arak is a traditional alcohol drink. What we can get wine or tuak, and we also can get vinegar by that tree. The most important one is we can get sugar, what's so popular called by palm sugar. Palm sugar.
Are used in chocolates.
Yeah,
a lot.
That's,
Right.
sometimes people use it in the chocolate. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Balinese people, in my experience, love sugar.
Yeah.
They love the sweet.
Yeah.
They love the
Right.
sweet. They're very sweet and they love the sweet.
Waterfall. We also have facilities for the people who has an idea to having lunch and have some drinks. So you can drop to the restaurant what we
Okay.
have here.
Let's have a look.
It is so good. Double choc pie.
Yay!
And the best kombucha I have ever had. It's beautiful.
We are inside the cafe. Oh, what do we have over here? Surprise, surprise!
So on the way we will see the cattle what owned by local farmer. So you can see how the local people keep their cows. They don't let it wild, so they keep it like that. Because you know that our peoples are not so rich, so they don't have a huge land and they don't have a flat land. Because the contour of our land are not flat, so when we let it wild or free, they will break their leg.
Oh,
So our cows is good cows because they eat organic one.
right.
So when you come to this waterfall, you can have the vanilla bean for souvenir for your family there in your country. So you can get it close to the vanilla tree. Here also there are so many chicken. Some of it come from Philippines, some of it are wild, which has a beautiful color of its pure, and also we have from local, and some of it are coming from other province or other island.
Yeah.
It's also belong to Indonesia.
Yeah.
It's not only local, it's also come from other island, also come from other country. who can find easily here in this village.
Right.
Lots of chickens.
Where are they?
They just all disappeared. They didn't want to be on camera.
You will see a lot of plantation, like on your side. Here there is a pineapple tree, and also upside we can see jackfruit, and papaya, and also banana tree.
Wow.
Now we are entering the jungle. All of the trees are protected by the government. Even here, you'll never find some building because this place is a forest, special for the animal who lives here. Okay. And also some monkey can be found here around. You see so many clove plantation growth in this area because the area are good enough to grow in this place. Yeah. Now we are at the waterfall, so you can see how the local people have a shower here. Some people call this waterfall as the name of the village, Les Waterfall, and some people call this waterfall as Lingam Waterfall because some of the rock shape looks like a lingam.
Wow.
And then when you come here, will be very nice when you take a shower in this area because the shower will massage you. It make you tired after walking up, and then with a good condition after you are going down.
Ah, great.
My experience in the waterfall a couple of days ago, it was just so regenerating. Like that water can heal your body. I'm sure of it. I just had so much energy and I was just so light when we were walking back. And there is a purity to this water that's just wonderful.
There they go. Woohoo! Oh, yeah. Very cold and it's very powerful. It's like having 1,000 showers pouring down at you at once. Let's have a look at the whole thing. I want to live up here. How was that, Delaney?
Oh my God, it is just so beautiful. And Richard got a sounding under the water as well, which is just phenomenal. The other day when we were up here, I did this big under the waterfall, and I actually saw rainbows, like concentric circles of rainbows. And today's rainbow around me actually turned into double. It's like, how does it get any better? It just does.
You're very lucky to live here. Quite a few people are showing up now. Our private waterfall is no longer. There we go.
What would you like to see for your future and your family future here?
Okay, the young people have any job because of the waterfall. Then our life getting better because of the job what they got, and also our family has a good food because the income what come by the waterfall what open for the tourism. So because of job are open, so everything here in our village gonna be better.
Right.
Like better life, better food, and better environment.
Education and stuff like that. Yeah.
I gotta say, it's really lovely. You can see that some of the people from Australia, a lot of people from Australia have bought land here, or long leased it, whatever that is. And there's a lot of caring. It's not just about coming in and taking. It's actually about working with the local people to create something different, which is where we're staying at Segara Lestari and the Sikh communities. It's the same thing, and it's really inspiring to see that, you know, people coming together to create greater. That's
right.
For all of us, because you know, like, we've fallen in love with this area because it's so kind and nurturing. The land is nurturing for your body. When you're in this waterfall, it's like, it takes years off you, you know. and there's a lot of sweetness and kindness here. So, what else is possible?